company to convert from the natural forest and also peatland for palm oil plantation. Like in Sumatra, if you come from, if you start from the Aceh in the north and then in Lampung, you can see this. Everywhere is a palm oil plant like this, palm oil tree. So of course that's in one side that's also the problem for our natural forest. On the other hand, that's right. There's the company. This is a big company that's just burn for the land clearing process. And actually, also many things from the civil society and also from the Ministry of Environment trying to stop it. But this company is too strong, and not just based in this company, but also in another country company. And you know, last year, Ministry of Environment went in the court to what we call like in the court. So this company that's run the in the process of land clearing. Ministry of Environment win in the court, but you know, the court cannot excuse execution this case because again, this the company is too strong. So probably I just would like to invite you all in how to make a campaign about this, because this is not just a small company, not just people burn the forest, but this is what we call like the crime made by the big company, multinational company. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, thank you for that point. Just maybe a question for Richard. Do you think one of the points you were trying to highlight was that maybe the co-benefits analysis could add some push to stronger actions on open burning? Do you see the potential to sort of fit it into some of the work that's going on in terms of open burning?
Yeah, I think certainly, like in terms of decision making, it's quite critical to be weighing up, you know, immediate gains with longer term development potential. These areas of peatland are the land use change is expanding, and until after these 2015 fires, there was a declared moratorium on the encroachment on new concessions, which was declared by the President of Indonesia. And you know, I think that's really putting the brakes on some things, but then within the current concession areas, there's still potential for further fire. You know, I think there's both the government of Indonesia and a lot of these companies that manage these concession areas do need to make decisions around how they can manage this land. And actually, one other slide I wanted to share with you was related to the sort of more sustainable practices that can be introduced. But these need to be weighed up with alternative practices and alternative policy scenarios. So it's really, you know, a cost-benefit analysis in some ways that's factoring in not only costs but carbon emissions, CO2 emissions, versus suspended particulate matter. And I don't think that's, you know, I don't think the discussion has progressed to that stage yet. So this sort of analysis could really help to enrich some of the decisions that government needs to make and private companies as well.
And the Climate Change and Clean Air Coalition, which was very present in the past few days, they've developed a tool to try to help do that.
Yeah, there's some great tools that are coming out.
Okay. Yep, please go for it.